You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'm bringing you this crypto analysis video. Bitcoin is trading at 30.3k and I told you that this very level is going to hold the market, and that is what we're seeing right now on the chart. And on the 4-hour chart, I told you that after this breakout that you should not take a buy position and that the market is going to come back down, and that is what we are seeing right now. If you watch this video, I do that very analysis in this video, so you can find that out in that very video on the channel already. And right now market is down to this level of support, and on the ETH 1-day chart, the same level of resistance that I told you about is what is acting as resistance in the market, and also what we're paying attention to on ETH 4-hour chart and also on Matic. All of these and more into this analysis. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart Bitcoin, I told you the market is going to ride into this very level of important resistance, and this resistance here should be your second target, and the exact same thing we see right here on the chart. And what I am expecting still yet is the market to retrace back down, and what I am paying attention to, market coming back into this level of $29,000 before the next move to the upside. That is what I am expecting. That is my price projection, and from what you're seeing right now, market is coming back down. And the reason is because there is a reduced momentum in the bulls to the upside, and that means that the bears are gradually coming into the market and they are willing to move the market to the downside, although we've not seen a good bearish candle to the downside right now. And on the MACD, we are seeing reduced momentum gradually to the downside, and from here we can attest to the fact that market is reducing to the downside. That means the bears are coming into the market gradually as supposed to be, because the movement from here or from this area up to this level of resistance is very strong. This aggressive move, markets have to come down gradually before the next move to the upside again. I am still very much bullish about Bitcoin going to the upside, but we need to see that very retracement in the market to about $29,000 before the next move to the upside again, because this level of resistance is very important. And mind you, markets have already created a new high, had the previous high at this very point at $31,000, and now markets go up to this very area of 31.4k, and right now retracement. Pay attention to this retracement. That is what I am expecting and watching right now on the chart. And on the 4-hour chart, we see this very area, market pump a little bit, and I told you that if you see the market move, don't take a buy position. And if you go against that every analysis and you took a buy position at this very area last week, you should be in loss right now until the market move again in this very direction to the upside. So what I am still expecting on this very chart is this very level of important support. You see this area? If we break this very level of important support, then market is going to crash back down. I am expecting this market to gradually enter here before we could see that very move to the upside, because this area is $29,800. So from this area to this very level of $29,300, I am expecting this market to move to the upside, because the market can gradually shift out of this level of important supports to the downside to collect some of these very orders that is at this very point before the initial move to the upside for the next bullish move. So pay attention to the market move gradually into this level of important support. This is what I am paying attention to, and that is why I told you that you should not take a buy position at this very point, because it's of no use for you to take a buy position here when the market has already moved all the way from this very area of breakout up to this very point. We need retracement, so market supposed to retrace before you enter again. Any move after this very move is going to be a false move before retracement. I told you that in this very video, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now on the chart, and also believe that you guys make little profit from this very breakout to the upside. And on ETH 1-day chart, if you look at this area, I told you market is going to move to the upside to this very level of important resistance, and that is what we are seeing right now. I am also expecting retracement on ETH 1-day chart at this very point, and this retracement should come into this very area of support. So market should come down to this area of support of $1,800 before the market will actually move to the upside. And I also said you should pay attention to a breakout here, because a breakout here is very, very important. If you don't see a breakout with a significant bullish candle that close above this very candle at this very point, don't take a buy position. That breakout signifies that the bulls are in the market and they are willing to move the market to the upside. So a significant bullish candle that breaks out of this very level of resistance is necessary for the market to begin to move to the upside. And I said the target will be this very area of $2,100 at this very point, and you should pay attention to this very area after the breakout of this resistance. This is what I am paying attention to on this very chart. A retracement before the next move to the upside on the 1-day chart, ETH. And on 4-hour chart, if you look at this very chart right here, you see market having bounced between this very boundary. You can as well call this a ranging market, and market has been ranging between this level of support and this resistance. Two things to pay attention to is this level of resistance and this level of support. A breakout here is going to send the market into this very area of $1,800. That is, market is going to come back into this area of $1,800 at this very point before the next move to the upside in form of a retracement before continuation back down again. That is what I am paying attention to right now. A breakout here will send the market back to the downside, and a breakout on the resistance level at this area will also make the market to move to the upside. Pay attention to these two breakouts, which is going to happen in the market. And on Matic, I told you that market is going to retrace on Matic, and the level you should watch is this level of previous resistance. We have resistance right here, we have resistance right there, we have resistance at this very point, which don't support at this very area. One thing very important is that if market break out of this level of support, the market is going to further come back down. So pay attention to this very area on the chart. So from here up to this very point is a level of important support, especially this very area. I am expecting this market to still move up. As I told you in my previous video, market should continue back down into this level, and then from here we should expect the market begin to ride to the upside. A breakout here will further send the market into this very point right here of important support as well, because we have support here, support at this very point, which was resistance at this very area. One thing very important on Matic is that the market have already correct about 50% of this very move. You see market move all the way from here to the upside, and now correction about 50%, 60% retracement after this very impulse is a nice thing. Okay, so what I am expecting right now is the market to begin to move to the upside again from this level of important support to the upside. That is what I'm paying attention to on Matic. What do you think is going to happen on BTC 1-day chart? Do you think we are going to see this market go back to the downside to $29,000 as analyzed, or we're going to see the market begin to move from this area to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.